Yes, this is the question. They give you the equation here. Tangent to x plus 30 degree is equals to negative 1.8. And the range of values of x is from negative 180 to positive 180. You are asked to find the values of x. Now, the angle here is not one variable here. Instead, is a linear function to x plus 30 degree. So what do we need to do? We need to convert it. We need to give name. Yeah, we need to give name to that angle. Let's say we call it theta. Yeah. Now we try out here. They give you the range of values of x, which is negative 180 to positive 180, which means that value of 2x will be negative 360 to positive 360. But that's not the angle yet. The angle is 2x plus 30. So we add 30 degree to all the sides here. So 2x plus 30 is negative 330 degree to positive 390 degree, which means theta must be between negative 330 degree to positive 390 degree. So that's the range of the angle here. Now let's calculate the theta. Shall we try this one? Let theta is equals to 2x plus 30 degree. So theta is inverse tangent of just now negative 1.8. Which means the theta itself will be which is equals to 2x plus 30. We just press inverse tangent of negative 1.8. You're going to get 60.95, negative 60.95 degree. But that's 2x plus 30 degree, which means 2x will be you minus 30 again, negative 90, okay, 0.95 degree, because you minus 30 both sides, which means x is, okay, we just use calculator, 0.95 divided by 2. Negative 45.48. 0.48 degree. Is this correct? Yeah, if you look at the x, the range of x value allowed, it is allowed here because x must be, in the question is mentioned that x must be between negative 180 to positive 180. But is this the full answer? No. This is only one of the answer. Yeah. We still must do other things. We must find other question, other angle, and how to find that angle, the other angles. We look at this table here. This table can help you find the angle faster. Yeah, the angle, first of all, the tangent value is a negative number, and according to the table, if you want a negative value for tangent, you must use angles in quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. And don't use quadrant 3 and quadrant 1 because it will produce a positive, yeah, positive value for tangent. So don't use quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. And the angle itself, what is the angle that we use? For quadrant 2, the angle will be 180 plus alpha. For quadrant 4, the angle is 360 minus alpha. And how much is alpha? Alpha is the basic angle. which we are going to find in a short while. So let's do this. We try to find alpha here uh, from here. Alpha is equals to inverse tangent of positive 1.8. Now this is very, very important. Don't put the negative value into the tangent inverse because alpha is the basic angle. Alpha must be between 0 to 90 degrees. So it's not, alpha itself is not the answer, but it will help us to find the answer, right? So we must find alpha and remember to put the absolute value of this one, negative 1.8. How much do you get? We just press calculator for the alpha or the basic angle. So inverse tangent positive 1.8, which is 60.94. Okay, degree. That's our first step of calculating this. Then what to do next? I already make this pattern here, this working pattern, so that we can find the angle quickly. We cross out quadrant 1 and quadrant 3 because it will produce positive value for tangent. Don't do that. Don't use quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. Instead, what must we use? We must use quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Alpha we have already, which is 60.94, and for quadrant 2, we can simply substitute the value. The value of the angle is 180 minus alpha, which is 180 degree minus 60.94. Then we just press calculator, 180 minus 60.94, which is 119.06 degree. Yeah. Okay. So this is one of the answer. You can try to minus away 360 because if you remember here, theta is between 330 to 390. Yeah. So we might find the other angle here. So we minus away 360. Minus 360. How much do we get? We get negative 240.94 degree. Is it still within the range? Yeah, it is. Yeah, and this one, don't forget that this one is equals to 2x plus 30 degree. Then which means we can find the value of 2x here. How much is 2x? You minus away 330, so 119.06 minus 30 degree, you get 89.06 degree. The other one is negative 240.94, you minus away 30 degree, you get negative 270.94. Is this the answer yet? No, not yet. It's still 2x. How to find the x value? We simply divide by 2. So this 270.94, if you divide by 2, you're going to get negative 135.47. How about the other angle, 89.06? If you divide by 2, you're going to get 44.53 degree. So we have two values of x. And still we must do the, oh, before that we must check whether is it on the inside the correct range. Yeah, x must be between negative 180 to 180. This is within the range. Yeah, so that's correct. Now how about quadrant 4? We can try this one. This one, the angle is 360 minus alpha. So 360 minus 60.94. How much you get? You're getting 299.06 degree. And don't forget, you minus away 360. Minus 360. You'll get negative 60.94. Okay, 60.94 degree. Are they within the range? Yes, we can check here. Yeah. Theta must be between 330 to 390. Yes, it's still within the range. Yeah, both numbers are within the range. Now, how then? Don't forget, this is actually 2x plus 30. Yeah. Then the value of 2x itself, you can calculate. You can minus 30 degree from each of them. Yeah. So 299.06 minus 30 degree. And how much do you get? You get 269.06 degree. How about the other one? Negative 60.94, you minus away 30 degree, you're going to get negative 90.94 degree. Is that the answer yet? No. You still must find x, which means you must divide that by 2. You get 134.53 degree. And how about the other one? Negative 90.94 divided by 2. You're getting negative 45.47 degree. Is that within the range of x? Yes, it is. Yeah, x must be between negative 180 to positive 180. So that's how you do it. It's not difficult, and I think you can do this easily. Yeah, you can please subscribe to my channel. You can contact me also if you have a question, right? You can contact to send the question through email or direct message me. Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to do a more difficult question, still related to trigonometry. See you tomorrow.